Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, we have something really delicious and educational in store for you. We're going to learn all about fractions using one of our favorite foods, pizza. Are you ready? Let's get started. Have you ever heard of fractions? Fractions are a way to show parts of a whole. And what better way to understand fractions than by using a pizza? Yum! First, let's look at our whole pizza. This entire pizza represents one whole. Now, let's imagine we want to share this pizza with a friend. If we cut this pizza into 2 equal parts, each part is called a half. So, if we take one part, it's 1/2, written as 1/2. And if we take both parts, we have 2 halves, which make a whole. See, 1/2 plus 1/2 equals one whole pizza. Easy, right? Now let's say we have more friends coming over. We can cut the pizza into 4 equal parts. Each part is called a quarter, or 1/4, written as 1/4. If I take one part, that's 1/4 of the pizza. 2 parts make 2/4, 3 parts make 3/4, and 4 parts make a whole. Let's look into some example. If I remove one part from these donut, then what will be the fraction? Yes, correct. It's 3/4. Total, we have 4 parts here. So when we remove one part, then it's 3/4. Now guess the fraction for white and green part for the given figures. White, 1/6. Green,
5/6,
now guess the fraction for white and green part for the given figures. White, green. Thank you for learning about fractions with me today. Next time you have a pizza, you can show off your math skills to your friends and family. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun math videos. See you next time.